Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base trick. I just used the Dogecoin with this trick, okay? And the winning chance is a 50%. I didn't change the winning chance. Right now I didn't change the payout. You can see I beat 1000 Satoshi. I earned the 900 Satoshi. I just put the 10 in here, 0.01. okay, just watch the Dogecoin in here. Every time I lose I just increase, every time I win I just come back in my beating amount. Okay, the beating amount is 0.02. okay, and just I start beating, I lose, I just click 2x, I start beating, lose, click 2x, beat, lose, click 2x, beat, lose. Okay, you can see I win in here and earn this much. Okay, this is the winning amount. I beat this much, I win this much. Okay, and just watch the Dogecoin in here. I come back in my beating amount and I change the payout to 2.1. This is a little bit easier. Okay, I just beat, lose, increase it, beating, I win, I come back, beat, lose, increase it, beating, come back. Like this, you can go further and further. Every time you lose, increase it, and every time you win, didn't do anything. In here you can see how I lose much more time, and I win, I come back in the first place. Okay, you can see lose, win. Okay guys, now you can see I have 90 Doge in my balance, and this is the last beating I beat in here, and you can see win, lose, a lot of time. And this trick just you can use for making little bit amount. Okay, you can beating it 0.001 or so, and you can beat 0.01, and changing beat is to 0.1 is the best way. And you can start beating every time you lose, increase a bit and just start beating again. You win, just come to first place. Okay, you can see. Okay, that's great. This is 100% free amount you beat, but didn't make much more amount. You increase your amount, you lose your all balance. Okay, this is for free. You start beating, every time you win you come back in the first place. Okay, here you can see I win, I come back in first place. And this is the way you can also making money. And you can see I come back. You can do this all day, but every time you win you come back and you are in first place, because you beating much more, you lose much more. Okay, and don't be rush with your own account, because your all balance depend in your hand. If you lose much more time, you lose your all balance. And this is why I told you every time you lose you come back in your first place. You can see I lose, and I win. I come back in my first place, just clicking this one, and I start beating again. And you can do this for 1 hour or 2 hour a day, and you can easily make uh, $5 or $10 a day. And that time you can easily have a nice way to you can have a money. Okay, you can see I increase my Dutch, and this is the best way. And if you want to watch me completely how much I Dutch every day I earn from this trick, just subscribe my channel, comment me, and I will be share with you one video that will be longer than 1 hour. So I beat faster than this time. And right tonight is my internet connection is very slow. About that, you can see this is a little bit hard to loading. And tomorrow night I'll be share with you a video, 1 hour video of the beating in 1 hour. How much I earn, maybe more than 1 hour, maybe more than 5 or 10 hour. I will be share with you in 1 hour video. And that time I tell you how you can earn your free Doge from this trick, and it's too easy, not too hard to you care about your balance. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Just subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and after 10 days I will be uploading this video, and tomorrow will be the biggest data. I make a much more video for you all. And it's 1 week ago the internet connection is lost in Iran. About that I can make any video about any faucet website, anything. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and bye bye for now.